So, substantives. Substantives are just adjectives that pretend to be nouns. So, the rich and the poor live together in the city. The strong prey on the weak. America is land of the free and home of the brave. The Call of the Wild, very famous book by Jack London. In each of these cases, the words rich, poor, strong, weak, free, brave, wild are all adjectives, but I used them as if they were nouns. You understood that I was talking about rich, poor, strong, weak people, free people, brave people. And in the phrase, the call of the wild, wild is an adjective. I'm talking about the wilderness, but I'm leaving out the noun that like wilderness and using an adjective instead. So when an adjective is used this way, it's called a substantive. And a substantive is an adjective used alone in place of the noun it modifies. So, Latin is able to use substantive adjectives in a much more significant way than English can because of the concept of natural gender. Remember that many nouns in Latin show the actual gender of some creature in the world, a human, an animal, an insect, by making the grammatical form of the noun match the gender. So the word for man, vir, is masculine because men have masculine gender. So if I were to say that I am a good man, I could say vir bonus sum. I am the subject, and vir bonus is a predicate phrase. Bonus is an attributive adjective modifying vir. But if bonus is masculine and singular, then I don't really need vir, do I? If I'm the one speaking, and I say essentially, I am a good, you can see that I'm saying good in the masculine. Then you can deduce that I'm a man. And saying bonus sum is just as good as saying vir bonus sum. If I were a woman, I could just change the gender of the substantive to a feminine. And now I'm saying I'm a good woman, bona sum. And if I wanted to say it is a good thing, then I could change it to the neuter, and I could say bonum est. So, one more little example. Let's get back to the sentences from the start. America is the land of the free and the home of the brave. So, let's do America is the land of the free. America is the subject, so we'll put it in the nominative singular feminine. America. I need the word for land, which is going to be a predicate noun. It happens that the word for land, terra, is also feminine, so we can just put it into the nominative singular feminine as well. So, America est terra. Now we want to say that is the land of the free. So we need to think about what noun we'd be using. We'd say it's the land of the free people, which could be populus in the singular, but we're probably going to understand this as a plurality. So let's put the adjective liber, free, into the masculine plural. And it will be genitive because of the way it functions in the sentence. It's the land of the free. So we'll add liberorum. Liberorum. So America is also et, and the home of the brave. America is also the home. And we're going to use patria, which is a feminine noun. It will also be in the nominative because it has to agree with America. Then we need to talk about the brave in the same way as the free. So we're going to use the masculine genitive plural again. And we can just use bonus, since bonus often also means brave. So, America est terra liberorum et patria bonorum. So America is the land of the free and the home of the brave, and you see that we didn't have to use any words for people when we talked about the free and the brave. So that is what a substantive is.